Hey everyone, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'll solve check for BST binary search tree. And today's problem of the day is very much easy, and it is very common question for all renowned company like Flipkart, Google, Microsoft. You can say all of this company basic question is this. All of company ask this question. So it is very much easy concept. So before starting today's video, please like and share. And if you are new, please subscribe. Now go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given a root binary tree and you have to check whether it is a BST or not. Okay, binary tree or BST are different. Okay, binary tree which have like a root node and a left node and right node. That's called binary tree. This is a pattern of the binary tree. But in BST that are same to binary tree, but in BST that are some properties need to follow. Okay, all BST are binary tree, but all binary tree are not BST. Okay, you have to keep it in mind this. Okay, now in this BST we have to define as follows some rules. Left subtree node is contains only nodes with keys less than node keys, and right subtree node contains only the nodes with keys greater than node keys, and both left and right subtrees must also be a binary search tree. Okay, now understand this what mean that. Okay, now first, okay, the rules are given. BST there are two rules. Okay, first rule is the left node of the BST, all of left node BST value is less than right node value. Okay, left node value is less than right node value, all left node value. Then second rule is right node value is greater than left node value always. Okay, so these are said in the problem statement. Okay, now understand, suppose this is a binary tree, the like this value is 7. Okay, and this side value is 2, and this side value is 5. Okay, now this side value is, okay, this side value is something, okay, there is no, this side value 3 and this side value 4. Okay, suppose now in this is a root node, and this is a left node value, this is a right node value. Okay, these are our right node value. Now in BST we have to check which one is valid BST. In this example you can see left node value is 2 and right node value is 5. Okay, 5 is less than left node value, but in this you can see this subtree, this right subtree, this value is not less than 2. Okay, so this is not a valid BST, but it is a binary tree, okay, so I already said all BST are binary, but not all binary are BST. Okay, now go to first example given 1 2 3 5. Okay, write down 1 2 3 5. Okay, this is our first binary tree. Now check, this is root node, this is root node. Okay, now this is left node value, and this is right node value. Okay, and this is also right node value of this subtree. Now this left node value is less than less than right node value. It is less than right node value. Okay, so this tree is satisfied, this tree is satisfied, this portion tree is satisfied our condition. Now check this portion subtree 3 and 5. 3 is root node in this, 5 is right node, and this is also right node value is greater than, is greater. and there is any node in left side, so this is also a valid BST. So in output it will show, in output it will show true, it will show true. Okay, that's it. So in example you can see in output it will show true. Now go to next example. In next example given, 2769. Okay, in this you can see in this all are in right side value, but in this right side value this node 6 value is not a less than other right side value. You can see 9 and 7 all are greater than 7. Our condition is all right side value will be greater than. Okay, so if it come in this side, I write down. Okay, understand. 2769. Okay, let understand. 2769. Okay, this is given, and in this you can see for for this node value it is not satisfy our PST condition. Okay, and because this our goal is all right side value will be greater than left side value. Okay, but in this 6 is less than this node 7 and this node 9. It will not, it is the not correct position of node 6. Okay, so for this it will return output false, will return false. If it comes suppose, this will write this and this will write come over here 6, then it is called BST, then it is called BST. But in our given input 6 is this side, for this it is return false. Now go to next example. In next example given, okay, 10, 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, 20, 9, 25. 5, 10, 20, 9, 25. 5, 5, 10, 20, 9, 25. This is given our third example. Now in this is root node. Okay, and this is left node value, and these are right subtree value, these all are right subtree. Okay, now this right subtree, this is left value of this, right value of this subtree, and this also less than, this also less than, uh, this is greater than, sorry, this is greater than this value 9. Okay, and our condition is given all left side value will be smaller and all right side node value will be greater. Okay, greater than left node value. So in this 9 node 9 is included in right subtree. You can see this consists in right subtree. So for this position, it is not a valid BST. It is not a valid BST. Okay, valid BST, because it comes over in right side value. If it comes like this side, if it comes like this side, then it is called BST. Then it is called BST. So for this position it is not a valid BST. So in output it will return false, it will return false. Okay, now go to code. Okay, yeah, now code, we just simply check a function, create a function to check valid BST or not. Okay, then we create two pointer low and high, and this low and high represent current node position value, and low is minimum valid value, Low is for minimum valid value and high is for maximum valid value for current node. Okay, for current node. This low is minimum and high is maximum current value. And then we create a if condition, and if node is not a node is a valid BST. If our node means if all nodes are valid BST, then it will return true. Or if node data is less than equals to low, or node data is greater than equals to high, then it will return false. Then it will return false. Okay, and after that we'll return valid BST, left valid BST and right side valid BST. Okay, valid BST subtree, because our tree is given valid left side subtree BST and right side subtree BST. And at the last line we return our from final valid BST from plus minus infinity to plus infinity. If maybe, okay, for this we maybe their minus value, so for this we create a minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, now what is the time complexity of this? time complexity will be Time complexity will be O of n, because we traverse the binary tree at once. We traverse all nodes of the binary tree at once, and that times the E is linear. So in that case, time complexity will be O of n, and space complexity will be O of h. Because in BST, basically in BST, time complexity always O of n and space complexity O of h. Okay. Now go to code. I already discussed this code. Now compile and run, and now submit. Okay, we solved today's problem. Hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you next video. Still and bye bye.